Let's look at how to view and edit the Energy Plus IDF models. Starting from an existing job, click on the in.idf file. This will open the model in the editor. On the left is the list of IDF objects organized in groups, types, and objects. Click on a type. All objects of the same type will be shown. Or you can go down to the object level and select a specific object to view. On the right, you have the object view, which shows all the fields of the object. If it contains references to other objects, or is referenced by other objects, you can jump to them using these two drop-down lists. This gives you a way to navigate back and forth between objects. The object's fields are editable. For example, we can change the occupancy schedule value from 0.5 to 0.3. Once you've made changes, you need to commit the changes before loading another object. Clicking on Commit Changes, the system will ask you to provide a new path for the file, as we started with an existing job, which cannot be modified. The new file will be saved to your own storage area on JESS. The new file is then opened automatically after creation. We can find the schedule again, and we can see that the changes has been saved. Should you need help to understand the fields and the available values, you can turn on the reference panel and find the full documentation of the object type. You can make copies or delete the current objects using these buttons, or edit the objects in the code view, where you are free to add and remove fields. You can add other objects, even if they are of different types. However, please be aware that committing changes from the code view only insert new objects to the model, unless the Replace All option is checked, in which case JESS will remove all existing objects of this type before adding the new objects. Hence, in order to replace the existing schedule, you may name it differently, submit changes, and then go to the object view, delete the original, and rename the new object. Finally, the table view provides a way to check all objects of the same type. It is not editable at this time. The first button on the top shows a brief stat of the model, and you can download the model or make a copy of it to your storage area. And you can run the model. Clicking on this button, it will ask you to provide a weather file. Our model is from an existing job, hence you can reference the same weather file of the job. Or you can go to the EPW map and reference any weather data available using its name. Here you can see the new simulation and check its results for another iteration.